Good morning. Because we are in now globalized life leading, though we may not have an opportunity, but still our relatives, the sons, grandsons may have come across lot of those uh, dealings with foreign countries, matrimonial relationship with international citizens, NRIs, non-residents. So we must account with a lot of new words, just like your status, like, dislike, offline, like that. These things you should also be acquainted with all these words. The other day, when some case was argued before High Court, I, I came to know two words: Nostric account and Vostra account and Nostra accounts of international transactions. Vostra account means your amount will be deposited at a bank in foreign country, but that money will not be appropriated by that bank. That amount will remain as Indian rupee only. Nostra account means that may be used by conversion of foreign countries' money. This is somewhat problems that I came to know. Now you see the matrimonial relationship between two nationals. That means international matrimonial relationship also resulting lot of problems. So this is a fantastic judgment I have to share with you, wherein you can have acquaintance with so many new words. And if you want to have a full detail of the judgment, kindly go through the judgment entirety. For youngsters or for to invite you to go through the judgment, I would like to share the judgment. AAR 2022 Supreme Court 5711. AAR 2022 Supreme Court 5711. Uday Umesh Lalit, the Chief Justice of India, then from the Grandam Sri Narasimha. Here the case was suo motu contempt petition. INRI, whenever courts are taking some suo motu litigations, contempt proceedings, it will be styled as INRI versus Peri Kansagra. So I would like to share with you the actual history. Therefore, you can understand the importance of the judgment. The contender Peri Kansagra married Smriti, an Indian citizen, at New Delhi. They resided at Nairobi, Kenya, but Smriti returned to India 2009. The couple was blessed with son Aditya. Some certain period, Aditya always stayed with Smriti in Delhi. Thereafter, a guardianship petition was filed before Saket District Court, Saket, that is at Delhi, and that application allowed. Then that was an appeal was prepared, and appellate court also confirmed that. Here, what was my endeavor to invite you? You go through the entire judgment. Here they say what? Mirror judgment. What is that mirror judgment? If you obtain any order from one national court, you have to get approval of that order at your country. That is called a mirror order. I will read that now. Contempt of sentence. Custody of child granted in favor of the father, the contemptor by court, which condition to obtain mirror order from corresponding Kenya court. Contemptor, however, falsely represented before Kenyan court that Indian courts had not sought consent of child. Order of Kenya High Court that judgment of Indian court was not registerable deliberately suppressed to facilitate safe exit of child from India. Contemptor also denied visitation right to mother. A repeated affidavit of contemptor affirming to comply with court direction were only to ensure grant of custody. So, a criminal contempt as well as civil contempt was initiated and he was punished. Therefore, if you want to understand what is mirror order, what all are the procedures, how these things were, the husband, Perry Kansagra, attempted to evade and disobey the order. So, kindly go through the entirety of the judgment, then only you can understand the entirety of the case. Now, I would like to say a few words about All India Bar Examination. I have question paper from so many years, some 2000. 1 minute, I have question paper of 2012 to 2021. And earlier the question paper was very tough, concentrating on jurisprudence, theoretical and international law. But nowadays, the present question papers are only on arbitration and other acts, major acts and mineral acts of criminal, minor acts of criminal law as well as civil law. So, but I would like to discuss with you and want to interact with you, enabling you to write examination, All India Bar Examination successfully, unless and until you have important bar acts with you on your table. Indian Penal Code, IPC, CRPC, IPC, Indian Penal Code, CRPC, Civil Procedure Code, Indian Evidence Act, Arbitration, Specific Relief Act, Transfer of Property Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, what all are the subjects mentioned in the examination syllabus of All India Bars should be on your table, so that I will take you and explain the index pages of the said act and how to rush to the answer to write objective question correctly. I hope you understand, unless and until you have that. Another thing is, for that I have already opened some Google Zoom. I will invite you, if those who are interested, and kindly contact me, my cell phone number 9444444924. In between 29 there should be 6 posts, 944444, then 9, and last 24, 64 or 24. So it is very easy to remember my cell number 9444444924, and give your number if you are interested in writing examination of All India Bar Association eligibility examination. And I will come and inform you by forming group, or at least I will have a group. I have to think about it, because if anybody want to have some doubts, so I must have open group allowing you to have comments. If that would be the case, kindly did not post anything other than the All India Bar Examinations queries. I understand, because already lot of groups are there. Our beloved friends are opened group for the purpose of canvassing. Thousands and thousands status are being poured in. Let it be there. It is up to 9th January. and you concentrate on your exam. Your examination will be held in the month of February, and those are enrolled, those are likely to enrolled, be alert that as soon as you obtained your enrollment number, you can very well apply for examination, and that is opened up to January, I think. Kindly follow that. I hope you understand. Okay, best wishes.